Hey there, future investors. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about fundrise platform. Well, fundrise is a platform that allows you to invest in real estate without directly managing properties. You can think of it like a mutual fund, but instead of stocks, you're investing in real estate. Here's how it works. Fundrise takes your investment and pools it with money from other investors. They then use that money to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties across the U.S. Now you might be wondering, what kind of properties do they invest in? Well, Fundrise invests in a variety of properties, including apartments, single-family homes, and commercial buildings. So what kind of returns can you expect?
Here are the 5 benefit highlights of Fundrise, with more details and plenty of information per section. Number 1. Diversified portfolio. Fundrise allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate assets, reducing your risk and increasing potential returns. By spreading your investment across multiple properties and asset classes, you can minimize your exposure to market fluctuations and maximize your chances of success. With Fundrise, you can invest in a range of properties, including apartments, single-family homes, and multifamily properties, as well as other types of real estate, such as office buildings and retail centers. Number 2. Low minimum investment. You can start investing with Fundrise with a low minimum investment of $500, making it accessible to a wide range of investors. This low minimum investment requirement makes it easy for anyone to get started with investing in real estate, regardless of their financial situation. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Fundrise provides a convenient and affordable way to invest in real estate. Number 3. Passive income. Fundrise provides a relatively stable source of passive income through rental properties, allowing you to earn returns without actively managing properties. With Fundrise, you can earn rental income from a diversified portfolio of properties, providing a steady stream of returns without the need for hands-on management. This makes it an attractive option for investors who want to earn passive income without the hassle of managing properties themselves. Wasn't one big payout, it was a result of consistent investing, budgeting, and time do its thing. And that's where the real power lies. It's about being patient and sticking to the plan, even when it feels like things aren't moving fast enough. That I am not going to lie, it wasn't always easy. There were times I felt like I could have spent that money on something else, or times when I thought about pulling out my investments. But I stayed disciplined. I stayed committed. And hey, race, what I learned. Success doesn't come from big, flashy moves. It comes from small, consistent actions over time. The $500 didn't happen because of one lucky investment, it happened because of consistent saving and investing over several months. Here's the thing, you don't need a lot of money to get started. It doesn't matter